Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll enable dictation now so you can dictate immediately. Open Settings, go to General then Keyboard, and toggle Dictation on. This activates the feature system-wide. Once done, pick your preferred language and enable Enhanced Dictation if you want offline processing and lower latency. Make sure the app has microphone permission, you'll be prompted, and allowing it prevents repeated interruptions. After these first steps, test in Notes with a short phrase to confirm audio input and language match. You're now dictating content. Press the microphone key on the keyboard or use the hardware shortcut like pressing the FN or globe key to begin. Speak naturally, but say punctuation aloud, say comma, period, question mark, and pause briefly to let dictation process longer phrases. Once you want a new paragraph, say new paragraph, and for simple edits, say delete that or replace X with Y. Make sure background noise is low, and if words misrecognize, repeat clearly. This trains you to get consistent results. Finish by reviewing and correcting any mistakes. Either tap words to edit or use voice commands like select last sentence, then dictate the change. If dictation stops working, toggle it off and on in settings or restart the device. This often clears temporary glitches. Also, make sure your language setting matches your spoken language, microphone access is granted, and if not using enhanced dictation, that you have a reliable internet connection. If problems persist, try another app to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.